Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to connect Squarespace domain to Base44. So there is a step-by-step guide. Make sure you are logged in. After we will move in the apps on the top left and just select your page. So right now we will just move in the dashboard icon. As you can see, just tap. From here you will see the domain section. Just tap. So right now you will just have to first of all purchase the premium subscription of this right over here. After subscription you will be able to add custom domain. We will move in Squarespace. So make sure we'll have logged in already, and we will just move in domain section. And right over here you will just, I don't have any domain, so we will just get the firstly domain. So right now we will just have to enter the name of a domain. Just tap for, this is the basically AI generated AI domain with the help of Foster. So here, as you can see, these are the suggestions of domains. So these all are paid, and first of all you will just have to pay this subscription, and you will just have to check out for the add to your domain. After it will be able, and you will just have to simply copy. Example like this one, you will just, after when it's purchased, you will just have to copy the username, and you will just have to simply purchase it, plan from here, and just paste it, and the work is over. So in this way you will just have to connect Squarespace domain to Base44. That's it. Thank you so much.